Hey everyone, Double P here and welcome. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to give you a little rundown of the PPOT Analytics AI engine. This thing's an absolute beast. You will not find this software anywhere else on the planet. I can absolutely 100% guarantee you this. This thing has been um, 5 years in the making, and now it's here. My members are absolutely uh, making money hand over fist with the engine. I just kind of wanted to go over it really quickly. So, out of thousands and thousands and thousands of ticker symbols every day that retail and investors and retail traders have to go through, uh, we don't have to do that anymore. My members, 38 prints out of thousands and thousands and thousands of symbols every day that scanners and all this stuff, research and all the stuff people are doing to look to see what they want to trade or invest in. You don't have to do that. There it is right there, 38 prints that the engine has found today. That is institution and hedge fund. So what I kind of want to go over is, I mean, I can just look at this. I mean, we can come down here to Tesla. Tesla's in a little bit of a squeeze right now. Let me go over some symbols here. The market right now is 78% bullish. This is the type of money that's flowing to the market right now at this particular instant, in this particular second. So my members know not to short because the market is telling us, the engine is telling us what to do. We're going bullish in the marketplace. This is the flow tab. The flow tab shows you some of the biggest prints of notional value where institutions, hedge funds, family offices are moving to. So something, I mean, if you wanted to short, it shows you where you can get short, but I wouldn't necessarily get short. Like, so for here, FUTTU, I would kind of click on this right here and I would come over here and this is going to tell me literally what is going on. Why should I get short? Now, obviously, I'm not going to go into all this proprietary data here because this is for my members, but I kind of want to show you that there. So FUTU, I can kind of just come over here and look at it on the chart. And yeah, what a monster move to get short on this position right here. That's all institution, by the way. This is not retail. That's institution, right? Down 4% for the day, intraday. I don't know too many retail traders that can go in here. Let me get rid of that. Go in there on one print, $2.9 million on one print to get short, right? So that's the power of the engine. Obviously, I'm not going to go through all of it, but I just want to pick out one or two symbols for you. Now, obviously, I can show you this right here. I made this super easy for my members because there is a lot of proprietary data here, but we just basically, you can hover over anything and you can see exactly what it means. That's the flow tab. The option tab shows you the biggest option print from institutions, hedge funds, and it's showing you right here, right now. Again, this is 0DTE. This just popped up. So this is the SPY 754 call. It's telling you here there's $21.67 million notional value. I mean, and they're paying above the ask. You're not going to find this data anywhere on any other platform. This is above the ask 100%. So what does that mean? This actually tells you that institutions, hedge funds, the big smart money overpaid to get into position into the SPY. They literally are saying, I don't care what the cost is, get me in. I'm overpaying. Why would institutions, why would big smart money spend $21.67 million to overpay to get into a position? It doesn't make any sense, right? But it's in a gamma squeeze, right? So let me come over here and you'll see it on the engine. That's the option tab right there. That's what the options do. Options tell us exactly what's going on. NVIDIA's in a squeeze. Tesla's in a squeeze. So obviously I'm not going to go through everything here, but this is literally what you do. Now we have our equity tab. Our equity tab literally basically is our stock tab. And out of tens of thousands of stocks out there, our equity tab, our engine picked up 40. So what does that mean? Out of tens of thousands of stocks out there, of positions every day, there's 40 that you want to be looking at. That's it. And then you see here, I can click on it, ascending, descending, and it's literally telling you this is what you want to be watching right now. These are the positions that you want to be watching. And then it tells you right here what's happening, whether you're bullish, whether you're bearish, right? So right now you want to say to yourself, well, the market's 79% bullish. Then we have our gamma tab. The gamma tab, this is the holy grail of the whole entire engine. This is showing you the early setups for the gamma squeeze engine. This is just big, huge, smart money. That's it, plain and simple. And then we have our institutional flow confirmed. So what does that basically means? These are the early setups for the gamma squeeze engine. This is institutional flow confirmed, which means the big smart money is piling in, coming right in, getting right in. And we've labeled it off so it's super easy for our members to be able to look at and say, there's my trade, right? There's the early setup, there's the institutional flow, there's the trade. That's the gamma, right? And then we have our stock squeeze. I'm not going to get into the stock squeeze because that's just crazy. So that's the live console right there. Then we have the Prince feed. The Prince feed is the uh, as I like to call it, this is the next holy grade because this is telling you the institutions. This is literally telling you what the institutions, what the hedge funds are doing. All right, so you can come down here, you can see all that right here. Again, there's your SPY. It's in a gamma squeeze and it's telling you exactly. You don't have to think. You don't have to wonder what's going on, right? There's all your information right there. That's literally telling you what the institutions are doing, what the gamma risk is, what the gamma squeeze is, that everything is right there for you. The premium, it's right there for you. It doesn't get any simpler than that. And then that's the institution. Then we have our scanner tab. This right here is this information. You're not going to get it anywhere else, right? I'll leave that there for a second. So this is the AI, this is the PPOT Analytics AI engine that's been 5 years in the making. It's done. My members are absolutely crushing it every day with their trades because it's not about me. I'm no longer in the situation. I'm no longer having to go through this manually, looking, being the face of the market to take the trades. This is the engine that I built that is taking over, and it's showing my members where to trade, when to trade, how to trade. It's telling them step by step exactly what to do. So if you'd like to get a hold of this, a PPOT Analytics AI engine, there's a link somewhere on this video or you can just simply go over my feed on social, and you'll see a link to get the product somewhere, anywhere. It's available for you right now. So that being said, and right over here, what's going on? This is hedge fund, right? This is a hedge fund order. You're not going to get this data anywhere else. So that being said, my name is Double P. I'll see you guys in the next trading session or on the other side. Take care, everybody.